Hello, powerful creators, new friends, and good vibe fire tribe. My name is Therese Firewoman Hartman, and I'd like to personally invite you to join me onward, upward, and forward. A course designed to help you let go, move on, go beyond what's been, and thrive even in COVID pandemic times. Let's face it, we are living in unprecedented times of challenges and changes that have literally rocked all of our souls all over the planet to the core. Between COVID-19, economic changes, weather patterns, and storms happening in the weirdest places, humans going completely bananas, doing crazy things, and on top of whatever personal challenges and changes we might be facing as individuals, if there ever was a time to learn to focus onward, upward, and forward, it is right now. But I will say this. Even before the events of 2020 or 2021 even, change and challenges have always been a part of life. I mean, if you really truly think about it, since the dawn of time, we've had changes in our environment, changes in our work, changes in our relationships, changes in our health, changes in our body, changes in the government, changes in economics, changes in the weather, changes with our own planet. Change has been a constant. Challenge has been a constant since the dawn of time. Yet, there seems to be a sector of the population that somehow manages to thrive even when the rest of the world is losing its mind. Even during times of the Great Depression, the Spanish flu, the plague going way, way back, obviously someone must have survived during the plague or we wouldn't be here right now. Somehow, some way, there have always been humans who manage to find a way. Humans that keep moving forward. And you know what? There are 4 things that these humans have in common. Number 1, these are humans who are open and willing to look at their lives from a more empowering angle and learn something new. Number 2, these humans find themselves asking, what if? And have a desire to go beyond what has been and actually truly want to enjoy and savor life now. Number 3, these humans have said, either in the inner halls of their own mind or literally shouted at the top of their lungs, enough is enough. And these humans are actually literally willing to take positive action and do something to create change in their lives. And you know what? These 4 things are things every human can do, very much including you. So, if you are sick and tired of feeling stuck, bored, or having little to no energy and want to feel more alive and productive, want to feel more freedom and are over feeling limited, trapped, or blocked by COVID, the economy, and what, quote, they are doing, you are ready to let go of negative patterns, people, or circumstances, are truly ready to move on after a major life change, want to experience something different, new, bigger, better, and even more fabulous than what has come before. If you're just plain done with waiting and want to get back to moving forward and living, then I invite you for this fun, informative, and inspiring course filled with insights, leading edge new ideas, personal true stories, and powerful practical tools to help you discover your own personal roadmap to living life on fire and to moving onward, upward, and forward. I hope to see you in the course.
This course is taught by visionary creative and top-rated instructor Therese Firewoman Hartman, a law of attraction and allowing your success specialist, published author, speaker, singer-songwriter, recording and performing artist, composer, catalyst for fabulous, and true Renaissance woman who has already helped over 10,000 students in over 130 countries to allow success and live life on fire. She is a dream achiever, Amazing Woman of the Year, and Moxie Woman Award recipient. She is a Tampa Bay Businesswoman of the Year nominee, has performed for clients including Walt Disney World, Coca-Cola, and Universal Studios, along with several international conventions and conferences. She has been a contributing writer with the international publication Transformation Coaching magazine since 2012, and has had her music featured in film, radio, theater, and the hit Netflix series Tiger King with over 64 million views. She has also attracted and allowed a joy-filled, ongoing relationship spanning over 20 years with her husband, soulmate, and creative partner John, has overcome immense health, genetic, and family challenges, and is deeply passionate about helping other powerful creatives and leading-edge thinkers live unique, empowered lives on their terms by cultivating the courage to dream, to express themselves boldly and authentically, and to focus onward, upward, and forward into new possibilities.